Physics formulas can seem daunting, but fear not. This video is your guide to the essential physics formulas you absolutely need to remember. We're breaking down complex equations into easily digestible concepts. Get ready to level up your physics game. Motion is all about how things move. We have v equals d over t, where v is velocity, d is distance, and t is time. Next, a equals v minus u over t, where a is acceleration, v is final velocity, u is initial velocity. Further, v equals u plus at, and s equals ut plus 1/2 at squared, where s is displacement. Also, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Master these and motion will be a breeze. Forces are what cause changes in motion. F equals ma, where F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. W equals mg, shows that weight, W, is equal to mass times the acceleration due to gravity, g. The resultant force, Fr equals F1 plus or minus F2, is the sum of individual forces, accounting for direction. Forces make things happen. Energy is the capacity to do work. W equals Fd, work equals force times distance. Potential energy, EP, equals mgh, m is mass, g is gravitational acceleration, and h is height. Kinetic energy, EK, equals 1/2 mv squared, where v is velocity. Power, P, equals W over T, where T is time, and efficiency is the ratio of useful energy output to total energy input. Energy governs our universe. Pressure is force distributed over an area. P equals F over A. Pressure equals force divided by area. In fluids, pressure increases with depth. P equals rho gh, where rho is density, g is gravitational acceleration, and h is depth. Understanding pressure is key. Dive in deep. Electricity powers our world. V equals IR, Ohm's law. Voltage, V, equals current, I, times resistance, R. Power can be calculated in several ways. P equals VI, P equals I squared R, or P equals V squared over R. Energy used, E equals VIT, equals voltage times current times time. Electricity keeps us connected and illuminated. Don't get shocked. Heat is a form of energy transfer. Q equals mc delta T, calculates the heat required to change temperature, where m is mass, c is specific heat capacity, and delta T is the change in temperature. Q equals ml is the heat required for a phase change, like melting, where L is the latent heat. Feel the heat. Waves carry energy through space. The fundamental equation for wave speed is v equals f lambda, where v is the wave speed, f is the frequency, how many waves pass per second, and lambda is the wavelength, the distance between wave crests. Ride the wave. Light bends when it changes mediums, a phenomenon called refraction. Angle I equals angle R when reflection happens. Snell's law, sine I over sine R equals n, relates the angle of incidence, I, and the angle of refraction, R, to the refractive index, n, of the material. See the light. Density determines whether an object floats or sinks. Density, rho, equals m over v, is calculated by dividing mass, m, by volume, v. Objects less dense than the fluid they are in will float, while denser objects sink. Stay afloat. Which formula do you find the most useful? Drop a comment below with your favorite physics formula and why it's essential to your studies. Let's learn from each other and keep the knowledge flowing. Physics for the win.